Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here, and today I wanted to tell you about one of my featured partners. These guys make some amazing quality clothes, and again, I just wanted to share this brand with you because I think that they are making some really cool stuff. I am going to show you these pants. I'm not wearing them because it'd be hard to show you the pants if I am wearing them, so I brought them with me. This long sleeve shirt is one of their shirts, and it is awesome, super heavy duty and high quality. But again, I'm going to kind of walk you through these things because I just wanted to shine a little bit of a spotlight on this company because I think they make such cool products that are really applicable for overlanding, and I wanted you guys to know about them. So today we're going to talk about LIVSN clothes. So if you want to hear more about this awesome company and how they support overlanders and outdoors people, stay tuned. All right, guys. So as I mentioned in the intro, today I'm talking about LIVSN. Now, this is a really cool brand. They are, the founders of this company are into overlanding and the outdoors. They're big into fishing and just sustainability. So that is one of kind of their tenets that they are known for, is that they make clothes that last, right? So again, I have for a long time sort of talked about budget-minded stuff and when it makes sense to save money, like for instance on flashlights and things like that, right? Flashlights are kind of a dime a dozen. Having a $300 flashlight versus having a $20 flashlight, there's not enough of a difference to me to justify that expense between the $300 flashlight and the $20 flashlight a lot of the times. When it comes to clothes, though, one of the things that someone told me a long time ago that's really stuck with me is where you want to spend your money and where you want to budget for more expenditure is things that touch your body. So whether that is your pillow, your sleeping bag, your mattress that you sleep on, or the clothes that you wear, that is where you want to kind of prioritize your spend. Because again, you can buy these cheap clothes. You can go to Walmart and buy a t-shirt for 10, 15, 20 bucks. You can buy sweatpants for 5, 10 bucks. You can buy the cheap stuff, but they're going to get holes in them. They're going to wear out. They're going to fail on you when you need them the most. And it just ends up costing you more in the long run when you're buying new clothes all the time because they're constantly kind of falling apart because they're just really cheaply made, right? Stitches come out, all that good stuff. And so to avoid that, again, spending a little bit more upfront on clothes is, in my opinion, a smart way to save yourself money in the long run because these are kind of lifetime clothes, right? So these pants, I wish you could feel them, but you can probably see it here. They are super heavy duty. They're extremely well made. The stitching on them is fantastic. Just really, really well made clothes. I've been wearing these pants around. Not only are they extremely well made and super heavy duty, but they're extremely comfortable too. So you can wear them around the house. You can wear them out to go camping and stuff. They wash out really well. They're relatively stain resistant. So most stuff just comes off of them. And again, they're made with sustainable methods so that they're going to last for a really long time and they help protect the environment and all these places that we like to go camping. So again, this is one of their long sleeve shirts. This thing is really comfortable. I will put a link just to their general overall website down below so you guys can go check them out. Now, as far as these pants go, as you can see here, they've got this sort of like mesh lining inside of them. So they're going to be more breathable. Now, they've got these super heavy duty pockets on the back, which are also zippable. So if you are, out hiking or something, or if you're camping and you don't want to risk losing your wallet, you can zip up your back pocket, which is really nice. On the side here, you've got a sort of small pocket. Now you can use this for like a pocket knife or a flashlight, but it just gives you an additional sort of dedicated storage outside of your main pocket. Now inside the pocket, you've also got this mesh material. So again, if your hands are in your pockets, you're not going to be getting all hot and sweaty. And then just the style of them too is really nice, right? Like they're just nice looking outdoor pants. Now these are the version 2 pants. So they come out with new versions of these things occasionally. And when they do that, they go on sale. So you definitely want to check their website and see. They may have like some previous versions of the same pants and maybe they make some upgrades to them, but you could get like the previous version for some amount off. Now these are about 100 to 130 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark for pants, which I don't think is crazy at all. The long sleeve shirt's about 50, 60 bucks, but I'm telling you, this thing is super heavy. The material is super warm and comfy, and it's extremely well made. I mean, it's just such a nice shirt. Now, one thing that I will say, having worn them now and had some of these clothes, is for me, compared to a lot of the other clothes brands out there, they tend to run a little small. So if you're going to be ordering and you normally wear like a large, you may bump up to an extra large. If you wear an extra large, bump up to a double extra large, because I've noticed this is an extra large, which is about the size I normally wear, and it fits just about perfect, but it's right on the border of being a little bit tight. And then pants too, same thing. If you wear a 32 waist by 30, maybe bump up to a 34-30, which is basically what I did. So that is just a tip. If you're ordering this stuff, to me, they tend to run a little bit small. So just maybe bump up a little bit on the size to make sure that you get the right fit. So now I want to jump onto their website back at home in my home office to kind of walk you through their tenets and kind of the things they believe, because I just think that the company itself is really, really cool and one that is worthy of supporting. So let's jump over to their website and kind of take a look at, more of their products and also what makes them so special. All right, guys. So as I mentioned, I'm going to hop on their website really quick, I just want to tell you more about LIVSN. Again, the reason for this is I've been checking out their clothes for the last few months. They are an awesome company that's from the US that makes their clothes here, that really stands behind their stuff. So I wanted to share this brand with you just because I think that their stuff is really cool. And if you're looking for stuff that's going to last for a really long time, be super high quality, and get you outdoors, this might be a good fit for you. So again, let's look at LIVSN a little bit on their website. First thing I want to point out is just that I'm like a sort of a generalist in marketing and sort of branding stuff. And I love their aesthetic and their style. Like they have their own feel for what LIVSN is, right? And I love that. I think it's cool that they stick with it and that they're consistent with it. I think everything looks really great on their website. That's just the weird me as a marketer talking. But, things to see here. They have free exchanges. So again, when you're buying these things, if you get something and it doesn't fit right, give them a shout and they will exchange the clothes for you to get you the right fit, to make sure that they're the right size, that they're going to fit comfortably for you. Like I said, you may want to get them size up a little bit, but if you get them and they don't fit, just reach out. They're awesome. They also offer repairs and replacement, which is super cool. Again, the idea of sustainability is something that I think we're all becoming bigger and bigger fans of as overlanders, as outdoors people. We want to support our national parks. We want to, make things last longer for future generations. We want to take care of stuff. So, you can buy the cheap Amazon clothes, and sure, they're going to be cheaper than the LIVSN stuff maybe, but the long term, it's going to cost you more. It's definitely harder on the environment. They're definitely making those clothes in factories that do not stand up to the same standards as like where these guys make their clothes, right? So like the repair and replacement thing is just a really cool thing. And then they also have a lifetime warranty against defects. So obviously at some point, everything wears out, right? Now, these clothes should last significantly longer than other cheap clothes that you may buy, but they have a lifetime warranty. If something just failed, if a zipper stopped working or whatever, again, reach out to them and they will get you taken care of. Another thing is that they're very thoughtful with their clothes. So you may notice like these pictures in the background with these shorts. So they just dropped a new line of clothes. They do this frequently. They make clothes that are really well designed, that are really well thought out. But then occasionally they will take time and they will go back and they will look and say, how can we improve this? How can we make this a little bit better? And they'll make a revised version, right? And then seasonality too. They're coming in now to spring. So of course they're going to have some shorts and stuff, whereas they may have been focused on pants over the winter. So, their commitment to creating new and better stuff all the time is really, really cool. Again, speaking to their sustainability, they're so committed to it that they literally have an entire menu option at the top talking about it, talking about their approach, talking about their repair program that I talked about, how they design their stuff, right? They choose only the highest quality materials. They build durability into the design. So again, they think about things that most clothing manufacturers don't. Again, most clothing manufacturers focus on saving cost, right? They don't focus on building things that are meant to last. If the clothes wear out quicker, then you got to buy new clothes, right? That's how most manufacturers look at it. Whereas these guys at LIVSN look at it the opposite way, right? They look at it as we're going to choose the highest quality materials. We're really going to focus on how they're designed so that they are meant to stand up and be durable for a long period of time, which I think is really refreshing and, again, totally different from most of the stuff that you're going to see out there nowadays, which is just focused on cutting cost and really making things that wear out faster. So then they talk a little bit about production and their material impact, right? And I think this is also fascinating. Whereas, again, a company in China somewhere is literally trying to drive to the bottom. They're trying to make it as cheap as they possibly can so that they can make a higher profit and pay their people less money, right? Like that's how it works. That's why so many people produce things overseas. But these guys look at like, where do these products come from? Is there a way to get them cleaner? Is there a way to get them without as much impact on the environment? And they really focus on that, which I think is, as overlanders, as outdoors people, we all need to be more conscious of that. So again, I'm not manufacturing clothes. I can't go out and try and source these things, but what I can do is I can support companies that are focused on that are trying to help all of us overall take better care of our environment by buying from a company like LIVSN instead of a Walmart or an Amazon or something like that that's just trying to make as much money as possible, right? And I think that's really, really cool and really important, especially nowadays as we sort of see EPA rollbacks starting to happen and our national parks are, underserved. Like there's kind of an attack on that protected outdoor lifestyle. And one way that we can change that is by supporting companies that actually do care about the environment and are actively working to take care of it. So then to kind of wrap up this part of the video, I did want to focus on their kind of about us page. And I think this is really cool. Their founder, Andrew Gibbs Dabney, has a whole story about how he was born with club feet. And, he was told he wasn't ever going to be able to ride a bike and like do stuff that kids can do, right? And he kind of fought through that and was able to get to a point where he could do all that stuff. And so for him, going outdoors and playing with his friends was like really, really special, right? And so basically, as he spent more time with his friends and family, overcame some obstacles in his life, he got really focused on kind of minimalism, right? And as part of minimalism, again, most of us have grown up being consumers, right? We are just meant to just buy, 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 buy. We're ordering stuff off Amazon all the time. We're ordering stuff online. We're going to shopping centers and buying stuff all the time. That's how we've been conditioned kind of by the environment. He hit this point where he wanted to be as minimalist as possible, right? And I think a lot of overlanders kind of run into this too, where, you know, we have all this gear, we buy all this gear, we feel like we need all this gear. And then you hit a point where you're like, dude, I don't like having to charge up 16 flashlights and keep my power banks, you know, charged up, and all my little portable power packs for like my heated jacket. And, you know, there can be so much stuff that it becomes overwhelming, and it actually kind of takes away from the fun of overlanding, because then you've got all this maintenance and upkeep and packing and unpacking and cleaning and reloading and all this stuff that comes with all this gear. Whereas again, if you could just have like a few pieces of really good gear that serve multiple purposes and last for a really long time, that aren't going to fail you, then in the long run, again, once you get into overlanding, I've been doing it for like 7 years now, you kind of get to that point where you're like, I just want really good stuff and I want less of it, right? So that is kind of where he got, the founder of LIVSN got with clothing, is why I have all these clothes that are falling apart that I wash once, and, you know, like this is one of my shirts and like the logo is falling apart and it's probably been washed 10 times, right? So I'm sure it was made in China or something. I don't know. I ordered it online with my logo on it, but that's a good example, right? Like this shirt is not that old, has not been worn that many times, and it's falling apart. So he kind of got to this point where he's like, I just want to simplify. I just want to have stuff that's just going to last. And so I can have not so much stuff, but just really high quality stuff. And then that's kind of what gave him the idea to start this company. And then he started to execute it. And then that's how LIVSN came to be. So again, I think a lot of people don't know about LIVSN. I never heard of them before, maybe like 4 months ago. I started doing some research and kind of talking to the guys there and was just super impressed. So again, I wanted to share this with you guys as kind of a testimonial, right? Like I've been using their gear, really using their gear, really checking everything out. And I just love the way that they do business. So if you're looking for a high quality US owned company that really focuses on sustainability, check out LIVSN. All right, guys, so that will do it for LIVSN Clothes. Again, just wanted to share this as an option for you guys, because I know that we all, like, whenever I'm wearing something out on a camping trip, I always have someone say, where'd you get those pants? Where'd you get that hat, right? Where'd you get that shirt? And the LIVSN stuff is just so comfortable. It's about 28 degrees right now, and I'm wearing a t-shirt underneath of this long sleeve shirt, and I'm not cold at all. It feels great, because this thing is just so heavy duty and nicely made. So again, definitely check out LIVSN. There's a link in the description down below. If you're looking for some high quality clothes, that would be a great option. And in the long run, it will save you money because it's going to last for a really long time. So I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, click that like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a couple every week, so there's tons of overlanding content here, especially if you're newer to overlanding and kind of want some tips around how to get started. Also in the description down below will be links to all my social channels, so wherever you want to come hang out, I'd love to have you. Click through those and follow along. There's also a join button below this video. That's just kind of a passive way to support the channel. Gives you early access to the videos and some other perks. So then also in the description below are links to my Patreon group, where we have a 24/7 Discord. It's more of an active way to be involved with the channel. We do a once-a-month Zoom call, and we try to get together once or twice a year. There's also a link to my website where I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers. So if you're into that stuff, you need something for your headliner or to throw on your fridge or on your windows, check those out. And then last but not least, there is a link to the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group. Now, this is totally free to join, has a ton of awesome members. So if you're looking for some place where you're not going to get bullied for asking questions, you want to come and learn, or you want to help new people, that may be a good place for you, and we'd love to have you. So again, thanks for watching. Check out the description and the link below to learn more about LIVSN, and we'll see you next time.